everyone, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms, and today we're going to do a cozy cottage Christmas home tour. I'm excited to show you guys all of our decor and just kind of how we do Christmas and get ready for Christmas. It's just going to be a cozy homemaking day, and I'm excited to take you along, show you, and tell you a little bit about what we do. I personally love to just add greens and natural elements and just keep it really simple for Christmas. I do add some vintage finds in my Christmas decor. I love to decorate with fruit and nuts and food. I feel like weekly just having a plate of cookies that changes on my counter is a decor, and it's pretty, and my kids come in and they get to eat it, and it's special, and it just has the essence of Christmas about it. I also want to talk a little bit about my style and what I like. I have like Norwegian, Scottish, European descent, and I really enjoy cozy cottage, farmhouse vibes. I am drawn to fur on the back of the couch. I love warm textures. I love mixing up wood and baskets and plants and vintage things and just adding it all together. I don't even know what you call it, but it's eclectic and it's fun and it's just my style. It's who I am. I enjoy it and it's simple. That's what I just kind of do. I just love antiques. I love vintage things, but my whole house isn't just antiques. It's just little tiny things here and there that are special to me. And like the color red, I adore the color red. I've loved red since I was little. It kind of represents Christmas to me. I don't have red everywhere, but I have little pops of red because I like the color red. Also, I just wanted to share a few things. This year, I actually got a fake Christmas tree. My kids were horrified because I've always been like, it's real or there's no tree. I love a real tree. But we're in a lot smaller of a home and we have a wood stove. And it's just so close to the wood stove that I felt like it would just have killed the other tree. Now, I put fresh greens throughout the house. Cedar specifically does better for me, even with a wood stove, but it's not right next to the wood stove. And the tree I got is really darling. I love it. I love the size. It looks real. It kind of looks like a blue spruce. So I'm really happy with it. And once I got it up, the kids are very happy with it too. They like the lights, and actually it has a remote control, which I can do white lights or colored lights. So I prefer white lights, but in the morning when my little kids get up, I turn on the colored lights for them just to enjoy looking at the tree. I like to keep Christmas super simple in the sense of like, I don't have boxes and boxes of Christmas stuff, but I do have a few things that I bring out every single year that are kind of a tradition. So my kids know, oh, mom's gonna get out the Tom and Jerry bowl with the cups. That's special. I make cider and punches for them. I let them drink out of it. I let them use it. It's not just a display. I absolutely love these. I'll have to show you right here. This is originally my great grandmother's Tom and Jerry set. Found it in her closet when I was a teenager and asked her if I could have it, and she said yes. And so I've collected now up to 30 cups just as backups, so that if I have a big gathering or if we break any, we can have extra cups. But these are just so darling and we really use them. I mean, when my kids were little, I used to make them hot cocoa in these like every night and put candy cane on top. I just like to have a few vintage finds that are special that I bring out every year. You know, our nativity set, my grandma's vintage Christmas bulbs. And I also wanted to share with you these adorable Christmas Carol napkins that are vintage. I got these for 25 cents at a thrift store years ago, thinking that, oh, I would use these. But after I opened them up and saw the darling different songs, they have like Silent Night, God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, Deck the Halls, I couldn't use them. So now I use them as decor and use them just putting them around, and then I pack them up every year. But I do use them in the sense for decorating. I know it might be confusing to some of you new subscribers or even to some old subscribers. We have kind of been missing this last winter. We just did a video last week and getting back on the horse. We have had a very busy year. We remodeled our homestead on 20 acres, put it up for sale, and moved into our rental house that we used to rent out. It's a little cottage in town and we're renovating it. We're going to be adding upstairs and adding some kitchen gardens to it. So it's our next project. Here we are in our little cottage house, and that's kind of the next phase, but we really want to get on here and document it for you guys. For me, Christmas is all about celebrating all the way up to Christmas. It's the little things that I do every day that just gets us ready and gets us in the celebration mood. It's fun to just add these little things, like we take walks out in the snow, we decorate, we make a snowman, we do our advent calendar, we read books, we have tea, just all those little things. Baking's a big thing for my family. We like to bake certain things just for Christmas, and we don't feel like it's Christmas if we haven't baked those things. So, you know, certain days we will be making one thing and another day we'll be making something else. We like to go sledding, looking at Christmas lights, and just having sweet fellowship during this time. It's just a time to really, I just feel like enter into rest, and it's a celebration time, but I like to keep it simple. Thank you so much for hanging out with us this cozy afternoon with a little bit of cozy homemaking thrown in as we make cookies. And we just appreciate you guys so much. We just hit 5K. That was really cool, especially since I haven't made videos in a long time. So I just wish you guys all Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a blessings to all of you. Thanks.